Hey guys, Appleman here. Today I'm going to do a quick review on my airsoft gun. It's the H&k416. It's a good gun for beginners. I mean, if you're a good airsoft gunner, and it might not be the best gun to get, only because the accuracy is down a bit, but it's a good gun. Got full auto, single shot, obviously, and yeah, we're gonna shoot it a couple times at some targets. So, yeah, I love this gun because it's not like super expensive. It's not like $200 where you have to save up all that money just to get a good airsoft gun. This airsoft gun is about $100 in price range. Maybe lower, maybe higher, I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and shoot some targets out there, so see you out there. Hey guys, just getting ready to shoot some targets, but let me show you some of the basics on the gun. Where the battery goes in is right here. Those two holes, perfect fit, right there. It's a perfect fit. And right here, see it's a square and a circle. If you put those in wrong, well then these are never coming off. So you have to put it in correct. There and there. Alright, it's in. And this little hole is just to put this thing right in there. So that's kind of the basics of right here. You might want to put those in there so that you can put the butt on to the gun. Because you can't just go around shooting like this. Yeah, the battery might fall out or something like that. So yeah, it's a pretty nice gun. Oh, Appleman out. Hey guys, we're gonna just try to shoot that yellow balloon in the middle, and then we're gonna do single fire on this one, and see how it goes. All right, now I'm just nailing because for me, it's a bit more accurate. Standing up is not that very accurate, at least for me. But, alright, let's try this. Safety. Guys, we're shooting another target, but this time we're doing full auto, so let's see how it goes. Hey guys, how you doing? How'd you like that? I mean, pretty good. Just remember, this gun is for beginners. Accuracy is not amazing. So here we have the results for the single fire. We got a direct shot right there. Really good. So almost hit the yellow one, but the rest are like over here, and most are over here. One went down there, but so that's pretty good for the single shot. And it can go pretty far because of the hop on it and stuff. But here are the full auto results. Yeah, they're all up here. Not a single shot over here or down here. Like, they're all in this area. Pretty crazy. I mean, not as accurate as single shot, but I mean, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Out.